Hello children, myself Suchasmita Malik. Today we will read a new chapter on EVS. In the last videos I have already taught you chapter 1, 2 and 3. In this video I am going to teach you chapter 4, that is taking care of myself. So children, all of you look at your page number 27, that is your chapter 4, taking care of myself. So children, in this chapter, I am going to teach you to how to remain fit and healthy. So let's begin our chapter. Hello, Ruma is wishing you all hello. We need to take care of ourselves in order to keep our bodies healthy and strong. I follow these 5 habits to remain healthy and fit. How many habits do you follow? So children, why do we need to take care of ourselves? It is needed to take care of ourselves because to remain healthy and strong. So we need to take care of ourselves in order to keep our bodies healthy and strong. So to remain healthy, to remain fit and to remain strong, we need to take care of ourselves. So for taking care of ourselves, we should have to follow some habits so that we can remain fit and healthy. So what are the habits that Ruma follow? Let's see. I follow these 5 habits to remain healthy and fit. How many habits do you follow? So children, let's see what are the habits that Ruma follow to remain healthy and fit. So what's he do? Let's start. Spend at least 1 hour a day playing outdoor games. So children, Ruma spend at least 1 hour a day for playing outdoor games. What do you mean by outdoor games? Outdoor means the game which are played outside the home or outside the house. The games which are played are known as outdoor games. So Ruma, she may be either cycling or cricket, or she must be playing volleyball, basketball, cricket, anything she must be playing that are known as outdoor games. So she spend at least 1 hour a day playing outdoor games. So we should also spend at least 1 hour a day playing outdoor games. Spend less than an hour a day watching TV or playing video games. She do not waste her time watching TV or playing video games. She spend less than 1 hour, means less than 1 hour she usually spend a day to watch TV, or she play very rarely she play video games. So we should not waste our time, or we should not watch TV, or we should not play video games. We should not play video games, or we should not watch TV always. We should spend very less time on TV and video games. Spend less than 1 hour a day watching TV or playing video games. So children, to remain healthy and to remain fit, we should not spend a lot of time on TV and video games. So children, don't spend a lot of time on playing TV and playing video games. Okay, now eat at least 5 fruits and vegetables every day. So we should always eat fruits and vegetables. Every day we should eat fruits and vegetables to remain healthy. So we know the proverb, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So children, we should always eat an apple. Every day we should eat an apple. So eat at least 5 fruits and vegetables every day. So Ruma, she is always eating at least 5 fruits and vegetables, and so she is remaining healthy and fit. Drink lots of glasses of water every day. We should drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. So lots of glasses of water we should drink every day to remain healthy. Eat healthy food. Say no to junk food. So we should always eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables, dal, pulses, rajma. In all the healthy foods we should eat. Proteinous foods we should eat. Milk, non-vegetarian foods, vegetarian foods. These are all healthy foods. But we should say no to junk food. Junk foods like chow-mein, burger, pizza, they are called as junk food. So we should not eat junk food. We should eat healthy foods like rice, dal, chapati, vegetables, fruits. These are all called healthy foods. I always stand straight. That means what Ruma is trying to say? She always used to stand straight. She never used to slouch. So she never used to bend, or she used to sit in a correct posture. So I always stand straight. So children, to remain healthy, we should always stand straight. We should always sit straight. We should not bend our body. Otherwise, our body will not remain healthy. So I never slouch while walking or sitting. She never slouch while walking or she never slouch while walking or sitting. Slouch means, children, she never sit or stand or move with a bent or in a careless posture. She always try to sit in a correct posture. She always tries to sit in a right, or she always tries to sit in sit straight. So we should always stand or sit straight. We should not bend our bodies while walking or sitting. Now children, see, these are some life skill. Here some yoga practices are given. In this lockdown period, you all practice this yoga posture. Okay, this one is Ardha Padmasana, Virada Darsana. This one is Darshana. So these are the yoga posture which you have to practice this yoga posture at least 3 times a week to remain healthy. So children, in this lockdown period, you all practice this yoga posture so that you can remain healthy in this lockdown period.